morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't even know what today is. 15th. How's everybody doing this morning? Be right with y'all, as usual, setting up YouTube, about to fire off TikTok. And we're up and running. Okay, now, let's get TikTok going. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I never called on horseback riding. Oh, I gotta do all that shit. Let me get that over there. How's everybody doing this morning? Time to wake up. I feel lazy. It's like 6 o'clock and I'm not knowing. Go live. Live in New York. All right. I think we're on TikTok now. Let me give it a refresh. All right. Good morning, D Nice. What's up, D Nice? Always good to see you, my friend. Good morning, Jones 808 and Jay Parker, Mr. C. Oh my gosh, Mr. C, is there really a 5-minute buy stop or sell stop every morning on gold? I swear. I want you to send me an alert every morning. That's crazy. Jay Parker, hydro oil paying out nicely. Oh, nice. We'll have to look at that one. Good morning, Jason Roby. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Ore. Good morning, Ore. Good morning, Maros. Oh, yeah, we are live. Mr. C's on both. Thank you, Mr. C, for being on both. All right. I have a 15 people. Okay, cool. All right, so there's a few of you here, and we got thumbs up, a few of them. All right, cool. Oh, man. I found out something yesterday. I never, ever, ever look at any other TikToker or YouTubers like lives. I just don't do when it comes to trading. I just don't do it. Oh shoot! I forgot to turn on my oxygen. Hold on. Be right back. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I never ever look at morning everybody. Good morning, Rico. Thank you, Ori, for being on both TikTok and YouTube. What's up, Keith? Good morning, Keith. Damn, if I'd have known you'd have been up, I'd have called you. We can cut this one short too, Keith. Probably should get going. Good morning, Rapid Powerment International. Keith, what I was telling everybody was this. I actually watched some YouTubers yesterday for a minute. One of them was like IP Markets or something, or one was Top something. Anywho, Keith, did you know these motherfuckers have like 500,000 subs in YouTube? And then they have like 3,000 people watching them live. and I watched their lives. And I was like, what the hell? They're teaching nothing. They're just going back and forth between symbols about what might happen and what might not. Laughed my fucking ass off. A blast through my take profit. Ask another challenge. Mr. C, holy shit. I'm going to go look at that damn gold. I wonder what time was the gold Athens time, Forex, UTC +3. Good morning, John Francesco. Good morning, Rico again, Mr. C and Raider Trader. So my ranting this morning is, what the fuck? How are they're teaching nothing's good. Buy, stop, daily. You wait and see this thing's still going. How do they have 3,000 people watching them and 500,000 subs? It was two different people had those kind of numbers. Two different shows had that kind of number. Literally, no one can teach or be as transparent as you are. I know. Trust me, I was watching them, Gladex. I was like, what the fuck? Good morning, Kelly. What's up, Botnator? Morning, Botnator. I see that a lot online. So how are they getting hundreds of thousands of viewers? And I'm thrilled. Don't get me wrong. They are scamming. No, live. These were live, Jay Parker. These are live. I was shocked. I know, right? Oh, I have one trade going. This is a trade from 5-3. This is a time in. This is the buy. SPX. This is a $57 account. Now it's $210. And it's now $137 in one trade. So I've tripled the account value in 2.5 weeks. And it ain't done. I wish I had more time to trade yesterday with an easy one. Well, I think it was PPI news or something they dropped and then brought it back up. So anyhow, we could have made a shit ton more money if I wasn't coding and testing codes. Oh, well, blind leading the blind. I know. Hold on a second. This is too funny. Because I never look at any, whatever you want to call them. I swear, if it comes up on my channel, I immediately change it. I just not interested. I don't want to see what anyone else is doing because it's stupid. I'm actually kind of annoyed about it. Hold on. Yeah, here's one. I'm just trying to see. Then there's CNBC, which only 565 watching. Bloomberg Business News. I know Bloomberg's big. I'm trying to get one that's not as big. Stock market. Hold on one second, guys, because I was just shocked about this. It's like, what the fuck? And I'm not trying to pick on them. Here, and I don't want to. Should I bring this up? PPI Live, Part 2, Jerome Powell. Stock Market Live, 261,000 members. All right, I'm gonna bring it up, even though I don't really want to. All right, let's take a look at it. And I mean, I guess I can put a suit and tie on. I guess I can go ahead and look at these numbers. 261,000 subscribers, 43,000 views, and look at their charts. Look at this. If you guys want to go over there and learn this, the oldest, silliest way of trading in the history of the world. Good morning, BCM. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good to see you on both, Larry. I am just stunned at what I'm seeing. Like, that many people are interested in the stock market. That many people are, I don't know how to word it. I am just confused. I guess I'll keep going back to that. I am just 100% stunned and confused by that. In their live trading, they don't give you, like, they tell you, like, the weirdest shit. It's like, oh, it could go up, it could go down. The news is this. I don't know why it went up. I mean, I only watched for like 2 or 3, 4 minutes. I did not watch a long time, but I was stunned at it. Stunned. My entry was just after the 1:30 New York or 6:30 a.m. my London time. Usually some interesting moves pre-London that I look for. Nice, Mr. C. People that usually know nothing. Nice one, Ori. They're always right too, half the time. I know, right, Rapid? I mean, what the fuck? Time to start your TV show, Coach. I gladly do it because, I mean, I feel horrible. I'm not reaching people. And these guys are out here literally not reaching people. Like, they're intentionally teaching the old way. This is where your support is. There is a little resistance here at 63.54. What? And Bree was sitting next to me, and we're looking at each other like, holy shit. You know, we'll have some videos hit 1,000 views. Some videos hit 200-300. Hell, we have some videos that hit 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 views. I mean, those numbers I saw were staggering. Somehow I'm going to have to pick up the game here in I don't know what. And I've done no advertising on my fault. I've never advertised the system. Wow. Like, I won 150 people. We're at 68 or something like that on tier 3. And the signals are 100% accurate. Well, the old signals up to April were 65 wins, 0 losses. And I mean, do those people just don't want to trade? Are they just there? Why would they watch that? I'm so confused. Only so consistent I've ever tried over and over. Thank you, Jay Parker. I agree with you. Oh, well. Hilarious turn to say your own thing. I mean, okay. Whatever. Let me look at gold real quick, and I still have to give my and I don't know how they don't give any warnings. They're not saying demo trade only. I didn't see any disclaimers on their stuff. Obviously, they had no trademark. I don't know what the fuck. I am at loss what I saw them doing. At a loss. Oh, somebody wanted, well, let me look at gold. 5 minute. Pre-market open. What did he say it was, Michelle? It was usually some 1:30 a.m. New York, 1:30. Right, he's doing the London session, which is cool. 1:30 a.m. My time is 8. Around 8:30 my time. Let me see this one. Nope. Gold. 5 minute. So 8:30. He did this? You held this? You're in this 5 minute or I'm assuming he needs a buy stop. Is this it? Hold on. Let me mark this one. Mr. C, is this where you got in? Holy shit. If he did, that motherfucker just made a shit ton. I hope he held one. 23.58. He just made $13 an ounce on gold. Spectator sport, the wannabes. Yeah, baby. Nice. Mr. C, man, you might be on to something because I bet you 3 times, if not 4 times out of the week, Mr. C comes on here, and I made fun of it yesterday. I wasn't making fun of it. I was kidding around of it yesterday when I said, Mr. C, you make your 5 minute call, blah, blah, blah. Every morning he does it. Shit, I'm gonna have to look in. That might be a time of. I bet you that's a 4-hour candle too. What time? 8:30. I guarantee you, if we go to a 4-hour, let me see on the 4-hour real quick. So 8:30. Is that a start of a new 4-hour? Hold on. 4 o'clock. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Aha. 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Look, Mr. C. They always make the movements. What he's catching is the movement on a. Look, here's another one. This is 8 o'clock, May the 10th. 8 o'clock, May the 13th. Yep. So every time he's catching the 4-hour candle, man, you don't even know what a fucking genius you are. So there's the 4-hour. Wow. There you go, Maros. It is hard to keep in profit. So they got you so scammy. They make you feel like you're losing. And then when you get to win even a penny, you want to sell and get out. Yeah, 4-hour candles. 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle. Let me see. Yeah. Look, here's your 4 o'clock candle. Here's your 8 o'clock candle. I'm just randomly picking spots here. 8 o'clock. So here's your 4 o'clock. They opened it and dropped it straight down. Wow. Yeah, you can play inside of candles. It's genius, by the way. I wouldn't hold the trade necessarily longer than the 4 hours. Like this 4-hour, then they dipped a little. I'm not saying it's going to go down. I think it's going to go up, but it completed its filling the gap, by the way, right here. Excellent. This is why John C. See, John? Shit. I got so much I'm working on, but I'm sure Mr. C won't. Wow, Mr. C. So, yeah, so that 8 a.m. gold candle. 8 a.m. Oh, my God, I'm going to have to look into that. Because I can make our code 8 a.m. Forex time. Gold candle is always good. Damn, Mr. C's going to make me do another thing. Keith is going to. He says he wants to stay busy, but that's a lot of shit we always do. Great catch, Mr. C. Love when people figure out these cute little quirks and things. And look at that candle. That is fucking beautiful. All right, so that's gold. Okay, hold on. We are the only, thanks to God, the only United States of America Patent and Trademark Office issued trademark, the safety trade, to me, my wife, of course, Class 41, coaching in the generation of building generational wealth. We actually have a register. This isn't applied for. We have a registered trademark protecting us in 80 countries. Okay? All the indicators you see here are protected. You sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, which is legally enforceable in over 80 countries. And we've had it enforced in Chicago, Illinois. We had to sue some dingbat lady who was trying to sell it with the Russians. So, if you understand that, and if you understand that I and no one else along with our channel, my wife, Keith, my brother, anybody that you ever see are not financial advisors. I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. You have to do your own due diligence. I am just a social media influencer with a cool store. You're an adult. Make your own damn decisions. You can pause at any time and read that over. Type yes, please, if you understand I'm not a financial advisor and never want to be, and that it is a legally protected system and you'll be sued. Thank you, Rapid Power International. You are not. Thank you, Raider Trader. Sorry, Keith. That's funny. All right. Now, with all that being said, let's make some demo money. All right. Here we go. How funny is that, though? I am just shocked all to hell. Well, I'm shocked about Mr. C's, but that's a good way, a good shock. I'm still shocked about how other shows teaching old-fashioned ways of trading have tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of followers. Oh, I'm letting everybody down. I think I'm going to have to readjust my goals of 150 and allow more people in the group, I think. I can't allow hundreds of thousands of people to be misled. It's like, it breaks my heart they're out there, because I did it for 5.5 years. I can't let people do that. I don't know, that concerns me. Well, it is what it is. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and have some fun here for a second. I want you guys to, we're going to do something. GameStop. Been in the news lately. All these people, all these things. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book at GameStop. We can trade anything. Probably because I sing and people don't want to hear my singing. Let's just take a look at GameStop. And you guys tell me what you see before that big, huge, or as it goes, run up. It's in a book. Looky look. Reading rainbow. 3 minute. What do you see here, peeps? Everybody out there, let's become GameStop wizards of Waverly Place. I'll just scroll through it. What are these things on the 3 minute mark? What is this right here? Everybody in unison. Come on, let's all become GameStop experts. There's no revisionist history here, because why? These are immovable. These are juggernaut. The immovable, okay, he never can be stopped. Look at it. These are buy stops on the 3 minute. Oh, but wait, what are these on the 5 minute charts? It's in a book, pretty book, even yesterday or 2 days ago. Look, look, look. What are these? There you go. Everybody in unison. There goes Rapid Empowerment, John Francisco. 10 minutes. What are they? Da, 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 da. Watch, everybody that's new here. You're going to see about 20 different people, 30 different people speak up and tell you what these are. But wait. The 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 10 minute can't possibly. Oh, it has buy stops. Dating back here to when? May the 6th. But the move happened over here. The system's calling out buy stops. What about 15 minutes? Gee whiz, what are these? Look. May the 7th. May the 8th. May the 9th, May the 11th. Look, all before that big movement. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stops. You're in a book. Look at it. 1 hour. What is this? What is this right here? Yeah, guys, everybody knows what this shit is. 1 hour. But I might add, broken Bach. It's a broken Bach buy stop. 1 hour before any movement up. Look at it. Can't deny it. Oh, well, you're only looking at things 2 hour. So you had, before anything happened, a 1 minute. Before anything happened, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour. Buy stops. And the very first thing, which would have been caught by our system if we were following the stock, buy stop back here, buy stop here. You couldn't have missed the buy stops. You could not have missed them with the system. But GameStop went up out of nowhere and we didn't know and no one knew. And it was to the blue line, by the way, of the 4 hour. Oh, crazy shit. Crazy. Easiest shit you're ever going to have in your life you're watching right now. But people don't know and I'm not sure and and I don't know, and there's really nothing, and no one could have known. And look, I engage Hydra, our new code for our signal service. Look at them all. Look at them all. Look what it's calling people. Does your signal service work? I don't know. Do monkeys fly out your ass? Okay, wait, that's probably a no. Look. Look. Calling out signal after signal. Look. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Now get the big picture. Look at it on the 1 hour. These are all generated by computer code called Hydra. Buy, 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 buy. Buy, 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 buy. Hours and days before. Weeks before it moved up. Buy stop, 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 buy. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's not even the 15-second, 30-second, 1-minuters. Look at it. The signal service, your teachings you've learned. Gary Network one. Sure, after I'm done with my rant. It's the craziest thing you've ever seen. Look at it. These are all buys. These are all correct. Oh, but there's a sell back here. And I'm sure it was a winner on 10-minute. Good morning, Shocking Life. Thank you all for speaking up at the buy stops. Now you guys understand GameStop. Why did it go up? Because the market said it was going to go up. But someone did something, and they did it on blah, blah, April 25th. We were told for a 1 hour. 10-minute, 1 hour back here. JTS6, you missed a little rant already. Good morning, JTS6. I mean, look, this is your GameStop. Why did it go up? No one could have. The damn system predicted it weeks and days and hours before, including the code for our signals. Y'all could have caught this. Y'all could have made money. Oh, but it might go up. It might not. It went from $10. There's no way. It went up to whatever, 80. I have no idea what the fuck it went to. Don't care. Look at it. There she blows. I'm just saying the signals, and Keith is just finishing up some other coding. He had to create 14 new things. It's absolute insanity. He works so damn hard. I feel bad for him sometimes. He wants to be busy, but I still feel bad. That's a lot of busy. So yeah, any rate, so yeah, it's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely insane what you're witnessing. Look at it. Oh, there's no way indicators lag. Nope, they predict the future. Oh, there's no way a signal service works better than 50, 60% of the time. Well, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right there, you're incorrect, 100%. So, wow. Anybody have any questions over GameStop and why it went up? It has nothing to do with anything other than the buy stops were called. The market determined what it was going to do. We didn't say anything before. I can't watch GameStop. I can't watch them all. I don't even think it's in our fucking, hold on. I don't even think it's on one of our machine gun scanner lists, this GameStop. Hold on. I guess I can ask Keith to add it. Is it symbol GS? If it is, we need to go look. It probably wasn't active. Hydra wasn't active then. What's GameStop's actual symbol? Hold on. GME. Oh, that's the actual symbol of it. Fuck. Yeah, I don't think we're watching that one. Oh well. Can't watch everything. But somebody that likes GameStop could have watched that. That's why tier 3s get it on their own. Thank you, JTF6. GME, it is JTF6. Thank you, user 121003. You guys are right. All right. Somebody wanted me to look at Gary Network. Okay, this is one I've never heard of. So this is the one I'm going to do. Qcoin, is that okay? Whoever asked that? Gary Network. Gary. Tether. Qcoin, CoinX, Kraken. Gary Euro. Gary US Dollar. How about that one? That's probably the correct one. It's a Web3 stream. Okay, cool. I'm sorry, I'm not into that stuff. Crypto. Yeah, Qcoin is good. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, sir. Let's take a look. All right. Now, oh, well, that's showing a little bit of red right there. Let's see what we got. Now I'm going to crank Soldier Boy. We're going to crank some of these off. We'll leave the 2.0s. Oh, still a lot. Really? Wow. Interesting. Interesting with those buys. This looks like a strong sell. But hold on. All right. Let me see something here. Well, yeah, it's definitely it was definitely in a weekly sell. This right here is a hard sell. Hold on. Let me get my bearings on this thing since I never saw it before. Wow. Sell. What is this? It's already hit. It's already marked in weekly. Yeah. Daily buy. Hold on. Daily, weekly. Weekly, monthly sell. Daily. Forming a daily. Was a 12-hour sell. 4-hour sell. 4-hour, 3-hour. 3-hour, 1, 3, 2, 2-hour sell. 2-hour to where? 2-hour to 3, 2-hour to 4. Hold on, 12-hour. Hold on. No, daily. No. Where the fuck is it staying right? Interesting that I don't see the blue line. The blue line's flipped. All right, let's go back here then. 2-hour, 1-hour sell. 1 hour. I don't know about you, but the machine gun looks like an atomic bomb right here saying, look for the sell, and there it goes. Anyhow, 1 hour, 30-minute. Sure. 30-minute again. Okay. 15. 15-minute. 15-minute. Sure. 10. 5. We're looking at Gary, whatever the fuck that is. 5-minute sells are firing off and all going down. 2, 3-minute. 3-minute sells. 1-minute sells. 30-second sells. Damn. 15-second sells. I don't know if you're too late to the party, but obviously you're in a little sell movement here. Let's see if there's any buys for you longer term. 15-second sell. Play any 15-second sell, 30-second sell, 1-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 3-minute sell. You just look a little late on some of these 10-minuters and such. By late, kind of already made the move down right here to here. But I mean, look for them, play them. 30-minute, 1 hour. Sell. 2-hour. Where's it forming? It's got to be forming a buy. This is too strong of a push down not to be forming a buy. 2-hour. The best one was a 2-hour, 3-hour fill in the gap sell. You'd have sold it from, I don't even know what the fuck prices these are. This is trading at pennies, I'm assuming, like quarter pennies. You'd have made money from 0.2349 down to 0.2209. So that's 2-hour sell, 3-hour sell, 4-hour fill in the gap, I'm assuming. Yeah, just closed it. 4-hour sell, 12-hour sell, Look at your perfect picture. Perfect. Look at this cell. Anyone that's even scammed me and watched my stuff and took it and stole it would see that this is a 12-hour red, 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 green, red, red sell stop. I don't think that's complete either. It's showing it is. 12 daily. Yep. And there's your fill in the gap for your green that goes right in between here. Sell, down, pinks all the way to the bottom. Daily sell. Weekly. Now this is interesting because this weekly is a strong sell. But let me see what this looks like in the monthly. Nothing I can do. Damn, it's a monthly. Damn, where was this thing trading at? Someone got their asses handed to them up here. $1. This was trading at $1.16 or something. Oh, someone got their fucking asses handed to them. I hope it wasn't you. Weekly sell. I see nothing. If you're waiting for a buy, these are just sell after sell after fucking sell. I don't know, some kind of bad news or something fucks up with this thing because this is bad even for like a normal thing. Boy, and it's going to pull down on the 12-hour, the daily. Okay, this is what I do. If you have this system, you need to wait. Look at all the buys it called. This is why the system, you have to do the dailies. See the dailies. What the fuck? What the fuck? How long has it been doing dailies? As far as history can go, it was a buy in 2022. Buy. Yeah. Okay, this is what I would do. If you have this system, before I would do any kind of buy, the only hope you have is I see a daily buy for you. I'd wait for the blue line to rise back up on the sniper. Boom. Let me draw it out for him so it can be good. Let me, I would wait for the blue line to do this. Okay. Then I would wait for the pink line for the first time to come down like this. So it's going to come up to, it's going to hook like this. I would play any trade that you see in here on the buy. So if you're looking for a buy, you'll have time. And I would play it like this on the daily. Let the blue and the pink come up together. Let it come down. And then you can put, once it's down here, you can put your buy stop anywhere above that red and yellow and take the trade. If you want to do it, here's another way of looking at it because some people can't do that. Let's take a look. All right. Well, no, the reason for the crash is because the markets are calling for it, not to be mean, but, you know, the markets don't lie. All right, so let that come. It was already a fill in the gap. You're already done. You could put your buy stop. I wouldn't do this. I'd be very careful doing this, but you could put your buy stop right here and trail it down. Put it right in this level for a buy. And as it moves down, keep moving it down. So as price action keeps coming, scooting down, which I believe it will. And here's another way. So you can put it there. There's two different ways of playing that buy if you're looking for one. The other way is go down to that 15-second mark. I know it's crazy. People, oh, look at all these sales. Jesus, even on the micro, it's going down. Fucking insanity. Look. You can go down here somewhere. Oh my God. Look at the 5 seconds. It doesn't even register on here as price, as a candle. You can go 1 second, 5. This is like the worst thing I've ever seen. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. They're all forming 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Is this for real? There might be something wrong here. Come on. 15 minutes. 30 minutes. Wow. Yeah, I wouldn't touch this for a buy to save my life. I'm sorry. If this goes up, it'll be on a daily. You'll see the 15-second, 30-second blue lines hit. Hell, I might have to look for 1 minute. Yeah. Once it crosses this blue line coming up on the 1 minute, look for the buys. Because then at least you'll start seeing 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys. Right now, you can't touch this as a buy. I wouldn't. You can put your buy in once you see the 1 minute crossed and play the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys. You can put a buy in off the daily line as it drops, or you just wait completely until you see the drawing I did on the daily occur, which it will. Hope that helps you, disclosure. Wow, that was a depressing stock. Unless you're playing the sells and you'd be rich as fuck. What's up, Jan? Fly to the sky, Flyowski. What's up, Jan? Good morning. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. Good morning, JTF6. What's up, Mark Novak? Yeah, I had an eye-opening experience yesterday as me and Bree were watching Smothered and some other show we were watching. And then lo and behold, one on the side of YouTube, we saw a thing. Well, at any rate, I couldn't believe how many fucking people are getting deceived out there. I think I'm gonna have to change my 150 to 1500 because I am so PO'd that all of you, or not you guys, I guess, but everyone else is getting taken advantage of by these people that have hundreds of thousands of people watching them and subscribe to them, teaching support and resistance and PEs and trading the news. I was like, what? I never have looked at that. I don't even give two shits what quote unquote my peers and competition or whatever you want to call it, because there is no competition. What I'm teaching is so unique and so different and so refreshing that I guess it scares people to know that the old ways don't work. I don't know. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Casey McMahon. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Cleat Ink Junkie. What's up, D-Man? What's up, Rico? What's up, Rated Trader? What's up, D-Nice? D-Man and D-Nice. Oh, holy shit. You guys really aren't the same person? Yes, no one is doing what you're offering. Blessed. Yes, you guys, well, hopefully are blessed. I'm trying my best to help you. That shit wasn't helping anybody. Okay, I don't know what happened to that guy, but disclosure crypto, if you say thank you, that'd be nice. I kind of went into some in-depth analysis for this guy. All right. Anybody has anything else they want me to check? Any other symbol they want me to check? I want you to know the trade that was at 108 is now at 136. So it went up basically 30% yesterday. When you guys played that sell panicky on PPI, it was just a buying opportunity. It was the biggest buying opportunity you had. I'm sorry I couldn't go live with you. Otherwise, we'd have took advantage of that. They are mentally sleepy. It's a nice way to put it. Caligula. I don't know what you means. It's a good TV show. I would say they scared to know it's total manipulated, which says the whole clown world is manipulated. Well, that's true too, actually, Jan. Caluga, USD, JPY. Absolutely. Thanks for being on both, D-Man. D-Nice and D-Man. Son of a bitch, D-Nice. Oh my God, I probably confused you guys for last year. How long staying in the daily SPX? Let's answer that question first. How long am I staying in this buy? Let's take a look. This account, so we're clear, started with $57 on a live. I showed you where it was. On a live, I took the trade. On a live, I explained it. And about the last, I don't know, 10 different lives, I explained the trade. Still holding at 137 pips. This is, and I'm not bragging. If you can get 20 pips on SPX, it's an amazing trade. If you get 100 pips on SPX, according to the rules, it's legendary. We're at 136. I suspect this trade will go somewhere in the range of 400 pips, 500 pips to 1,000 pips. So off of a $50 account, we've already turned it into $300, almost $400, and it's not going to be done. This is one trade. This is the trade and why I took it. Let's take a look. Okay, right here. This right here, everybody knows. This is all you need to know. Man, they don't even know this anymore. I've made it now where you can trade signal to signal without any knowledge of the system. I'll be selling the signals by themselves. Look. Shocking light, $400 on the gold stop, buy stop last night, 1 hour Hydra call out. And I thought, nice shocking life. Congratulations. I'm in it also. Yeah, and you know what else was? Mr. C. Mr. C's trading 8 Forex time. It's a new 4-hour candle. He catches it every or 3 or 4 times out of the week. I hear Mr. C goes, 5-minute buy stop, 5-minute sell stop. What's up, Mark Zapanic? It's okay, Kev. Good morning, Flight 379. It's hard keeping everybody's names right. Bree does it. All right, I got to do USD JPY. Don't let me forget Calaga. Good morning to you, by the way. All right, this is a buy stop. That's the trade I am. Why am I in that trade? Because this is a buy stop daily. How long am I going to keep this trade? Let's take a look. We go up to the weekly. It's a fill in the gap. Now look at this shit. This is crazy. Watch this shit. This green line, Lord willing, will come up and touch this yellow line. Okay? When it does, I should have kept 2 open, but I got antsy because it was such a small account. I closed one at profit, like $82 or something. At any rate, I'm going to close down. I don't know if I'm going to call. I'll probably just lock in bigger profit this trade. So I'm going to keep this trade open specifically until the green histogram bar hits the yellow. It's called a buy line. The more important thing is I'm going to keep the trade open until this pink sniper line goes up to the blue line here. Okay? And even then, I'm probably going to keep it open, quite frankly. So I have locked in profit, risk-free trade, and it's going to start coming up. Now, right now, we don't have the weekly programs to make calls, but the daily will eventually come up to here, flatten out, and you're going to start getting daily calls on the buys. So again, entry, just like it's taught to you, simple as can be, no need to open up 6 or 8 or million charts. Buy stop I placed right here. It came down, formed this little W, came up, poop, poop, and now she goes up. And it's not just SPX. The same exact pattern on the manipulated market is on NAS. The same exact pattern is on US 30. All of them can be played. The US 30 I couldn't play at the time because they didn't have enough money in the account. You can't control US 30 with $50, not even on a 500 to 1 ratio. You just can't. But US 30, NAS, and SPX. And there she blows. And I'm in the SPX because it's the cheapest one to be able to hold on to with $50 at the time. You're white. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. So how long are you saying those were? Okay, so there you go. Hope that made sense to everybody. 7s, if you guys understand my explanation of why I'm in the trade and why I stayed in the trade. 9, if you're not. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at USD JPY. 7s, 7 to the 7th. How'd you do that? Guy, man, dude. That's too fucking cool. He put it to the power. That's a lot. All right, cool. All right, so let me answer. Who is this? Can you look at USD JPY? Sure. Let's go over to USD JPY. I think we even have that one open. There it is. So here's USD JPY. Looks damn similar now, doesn't it? All right, let's take a look. Right here, blue line came, pink line dipped down low, and it went straight up. First times are always the best. This is the second time. It's calling for a 10-minute buy as you speak. Yep, that's a correct call. It's going to fill in this gap. See what it's doing? So right now I can tell you there's a 10-minute M10 buy. 100% agree with the call. The only issue I have with it is the, technically, look, 1, 2, 3rd time it's being called, but it's still a good call, a legitimate call. Okay? All right. So that's how. So USD JPY buy stop M10. This is being generated by the signal service that we now offer. It's just so accurate. Just I don't know what to tell you. You're hearing people speak up on it left and right. Now, if you want me to give you a little more detailed analysis, it's not even down on the weekly. Should have got in back here. Monthly, still not done yet. USDJ price. This late in the game for this buys. Let's go down to 15 seconds. Sell. All right, short term. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute. Oh, look at this, already been done. Leery, be leery. This is a 3-minute sell stop. Already looks like it's completed. 5-minute sell stop to the tail ricochet. It's bulletproof, and that is not Rihanna, as many times I say it is. Came down, touched the 10-minute blue line, ricochet, came back up, closing the gap. It can go down still. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute sell stop. Can we hit the 15-minute blue line? To the 15-minute blue line. USD, JPY, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. There is life left in that sell. You should have caught it earlier, but you can still play it. It'll go down there. 30-minute. It's forming a 1 hour, 2 hour. It's forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop for the second time. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop being formed. You can see the last time it did it. All the buys on the way up. You only take the first three. I don't know what time period this is. Hold on. And there she blows. Up she went. So yeah, 1 hour. Do I like the 1 hour better than the 2 hour? 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy. Yeah, it's just going down to touch the line. It's going down to touch your EMA right here. It's going to hook and come back up again. Yeah, I like those short-term sell to the 15-minute blue line, USD, JPY, just forming a longer term. Longer term, I like this entry off the 4 hour. You could put a buy stop right here. 4 hour buy stop off the yellow line. If you don't know what the yellow and blue lines are by the system, you'll know. What's up, Chrissy Marie? I wish I understood this better. Eric, ticker, whatever, 1,000 different tickers. Eric. Chrissy, how can I help you understand it better? It's the easiest thing on earth. Oil was spot on Hydra. Thank you, Jay Parker. Okay, thank you. I bought in too early yesterday. I'm still learning, but not quitting. Oh, fine, Calagula. Never quit. If you're going to quit, just come back to it later. Give yourself a breather. All right, Chrissy Marie. Good morning, Chrissy. We've increased our women that are in the system from 1% on YouTube to 10%, so I'm thrilled. That's still not enough. So anything I can do to help you to understand it better, Chrissy. And I'm going to teach Chrissy. Watch, we're going to bring out something. Let's take a look so that Chrissy can understand something and become an expert at trading in just a matter of seconds. Okay, let's take a look. All right, look at all these buys. I'm going to go ahead and, hold on one second. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off so she doesn't see anything. All right, Chrissy. I'm going to teach you how to trade. Everyone listening that's new, I'm going to teach you all how to trade correctly, the right way, in a matter of minutes. Chrissy Marie, have you ever been swimming, yes or no? If she's still here, I don't know. Maybe she's not still here. Anyone new here? Is anyone new here? I'll teach you how to trade in minutes. It's not that easy. You're going to have to learn it and study and learn a new language. But it is pretty easy, and some people catch on pretty quick. That's my dog, one. What's up? Good morning. That's my dog. Damn. Kristen Marie asked for help, and she leaves. That's kind of funny. All right, let's take a look. That's my dog, one has been swimming. Cool. All right. In our business, everybody answer, please. Red means what? Green means what? One of them means up, one of them means down. What does red mean in our line of work? Up or down? Red down, green up. Correct, Rapid. I think Rapid Empowerment, if you're not been making money, you're about to be making money. Not about, stop JTF6. You're giving away the things before it even happens. Red down, down, that's my dog. FCT down. Stop, D-man, you're jumping ahead. Down, down. Yay, demo doing good. Nice, I knew Rapid Empowerment. He's always so quick to the answers. He's always participating. People like that are the ones that do the best, trust me. Flight 379, thank you, Joe Big. Okay, so everybody knows red means down. Sorry, I'm a Marine. So red means down, green means up, okay? So let's just draw our little arrows right here. Red means down. So this means this is going down. Green means up. So let's take a look. We have 3 green lines here. 1, 2, and 3. And then we also have 2 greens lying here and another one here. Okay? So now we have arrows. This is how easy it is to trade. That's my dog. This is how easy to trade. Hurrah. Yeah, I'm not a Marine. I shouldn't say that. Joe Big. Good morning, Joe. Just teaching you how to trade. Yes, correct. Red is down. All right. So that's my dog is swimming in a pool. He's trying to dive down to go down to the bottom of the pool. He's trying to go down there and pick up a quarter or a penny. We've all done it if you ever swam in a pool. You're just picking up a dive stick, whatever it is. You're diving down. So that's my dog trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool to pick up something. Okay? This indicator you're looking at is called the BS detector, the bullshit detector. And what it does is it tells us when there's a lie in the market, when the market is lying to us. This down movement right here, you see this little movement, would have been taken by 99% of retail traders and 34% of all professional traders would have thought this was going to keep going down. But our system detects the lie. Our system color-coded, like a kid with crayons, shows that this was a lie. But he's going to go ahead and try to dive down. Okay? Oh, good. Some Marines in the house. Nice. So this is, and thank you for your service, fellas and ladies. Everybody that's ever served in our military. Crazy what you guys risk and do. Red down. Okay? So everybody, that's my dog. I hope you understand analogy. He's trying to dive down to the bottom of this pool. But below him, John Francesco is pushing up one of the green lines. These are called real direction bars. The real direction's up. JTF6 is below him, pushing up. Shocking Life is pushing up. Above him, D-Man is pulling up. Flight 379 is pulling up. The green means up, remember? Green means up. And I didn't even talk about the sniper hit down here. This is like 100 people, 1,000 people pushing up. But there's 3 grown men underneath. That's my dog pushing up. There's 2 grown people above. That's my dog pulling up. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real life so you don't have to worry about anything. Everyone always used to say indicators lagged, and I'd be the first one to say it. My indicators never lag. They predict the future with 100% accuracy, whether we interpret it as such as whatever, but it is. So look, when you see this setup like this, green, 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 red, green, green, of course, with the blue dropping, you wait for it. Here, this is him trying to dive down. That's my dog 1 trying to dive down. He can't do it. He's being pushed up, being pushed up, being pushed up. You put your buy stop. Oopsie. Put your buy stop above here and see what happens. Okay? So when you see this setup, you should take a picture of it. Remember it for always. The sniper is their key right here. It's your confirmation key. Anyway, that's it. So that's my dog. Did he have a chance to go down to the bottom of the pool with 3 grown men pushing him up and 2 grown people pulling him up? Could he have gone down to the bottom of the pool? Yes or no? If anyone says yes, I don't know what kind of drugs you're taking, but you need to get off of them. What's up, Shiraz? Good morning. Thank you, D-Man. No. Correct, John. No. Flight said correct. There is no chance of that's my dog going down to the bottom of the pool. None. There's no chance of the trade going down there. None. The trade went up, and he would have saved his life, and he would have made money on the trade while he was being pushed up. All right? So that's what's called a buy stop, which so many of you accurately said. Good job on that. And that is a buy stop. That makes sense to everybody new out there. That is a buy stop. I taught you how to trade. Does it matter what news is doing? No. Does it matter what the other investors are doing? No. When you see this formation exactly like this, especially when it's a daily, like what you're looking at, a daily, weekly, it will only go up. It'll never, you can't find this exact formation and see it down, ever. It's never been done. Trust me, I've had thousands of students try to find something. What about this? What about that? What about this? It doesn't happen. Does that make sense to you? That's my dog. Does that make sense to you, everybody? 7s for yeses, it makes sense to you. 9 for no's, it doesn't. Excellent. Thank you. That's my dog. Thank you, Flight 379. Thank you, Rapid Power International. You're up. So there you go. Thank you, Larry Cooper. Thank you, Jay Williams. So no 9s. Okay? So watch. Well, when the market goes up, sweet. What happens when the market goes down? That was on Bitcoin, by the way. You could have bought Bitcoin back here at 40,000. Just saying. All right, let's go over to, I don't know. Let's go over to something. Let's go over here. Let's go. I don't know if I should use one of those for a thing. Let me go over to US 30. Let's go over to here. US 30. Okay. So now that I showed you what a buy stop is, I'm going to show you what a sell stop is. This is the exact opposite. It's called inversion. So what's inside of here? Let's take a look. All right. Markets go up, markets go down. This time, thank you, my friend. You're welcome. That's my dog. Thank you for being here. Caligula. Caligula. Have you ever been swimming in the ocean? All right, let's go another way. Anyone else new here besides that's my dog? And that's fine. I can use an example again. Anyone new here that's ever been swimming in the ocean? Yes or no? Matt says yes. I don't know if Matt's new, but we'll take it as a thing. What's up, Matt? Good morning, Matt. Neo, yes. I'll just use Matt. He's the first one. All right, Matt, giving our knowledge of up and downs, we now know green means up, okay? Green is up. And we now know red is down. I know it sounds retarded, doesn't it? So green up, right here. And then red means down. So let's go over here. We have 3 red down arrows right here. Doop. 1, doop. 2, doop. 3. Above you have 2 red down arrows. Toot and toot. Okay. And we also have our sniper, but I'll leave that out of it. So watch. This is Matt swimming in the ocean. Green means he's trying to stay above the water. He has 3 red lines below him, 2 red lines above him. Matt's trying to swim in the ocean to stay alive. Unfortunately, somehow he pissed off Joe Bigga, the first red real direction bar. He grabs one of his arms and pulls him under. Caligula grabs another one of his arms, pulls him under. Matt's having problems now. Neo grabs a leg. So these 3 bars right here, these are 3 separate bars. Look, 3 separate bars. Boom, 1, boom, 2, boom, 3. Okay? All 3. So now Matt's trying to swim. He doesn't have any arms and he doesn't have but 1 leg. Above him, he pissed off Shiraz, which I think is impossible. Shiraz is pushing him under the water. Above him, Jan, Fly to the Sky Flowski, is pushing him down. So now he has 2 grown people above him pushing him under the water, 3 grown people pulling him under the water. Is Matt going to stay up or is Matt going to go down? Is Matt going to stay up or is Matt going to go down and drown in pretend land, not in real life? We love Matt and we don't want anything bad to happen to him. I am new. Oh, okay, cool, Matt. Well, you're just learning how to trade in 2 seconds. You're welcome. Really? Okay. Hate speech for telling the truth. That's funny. Down, says John Francesco. He goes down, says Jan. That is correct. Unless you're Michael Phelps on steroids, you have no chance of staying above the water, Matt. And even then, you don't. Even he couldn't stay above. You can't stay up. The trade doesn't stay up. The trade goes straight down, as you see. Down, down, down. I'm pissed. That's fine. Down. Matt, you staying up or you going down? Neo said down. Correct. So he was going to go down. The trade is going to go down, and that's called sell stop. And by the way, I just showed you a sell stop. Look at yours. I just showed you a sell stop. Does anyone know what time period I showed you the sell stop on? Anyone know what the sell stop was on? I'm pointing to it with my purple little thing, if you can see it. The sell stop is on the, and I never thought you can make sense of a trade below 10 minutes, well, 15 minutes. I didn't think 10 minutes and 5 minutes were accurate for about 5 years. That's what I was taught. Correct, Jan. That is the 1 second sell stop. Anyone want to put up the mind blown emoji? Anybody want to put up the mind blown emoji? How about all of you put up the mind blown emoji? Neo. 1 second. That's my dog. So you're on the 1 second time frame? Yes, Matt. My point of showing you this, I showed you what it looked like on a daily chart for a buy, and I showed you what it looked like on a sell on a 1 second chart. No, why would you never trade 1 second? The point is to show you that the system works on 1 second to monthly charts. Any symbol, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, it doesn't matter. The system works on all time frames from 1 second to monthly. Bingo, Boppo, Bingo, says Jay Parker, D-Man. Correct, Shiraz. Correct, John. So there you go. So the point isn't that you trade 1 second. We don't even do that. That's crazy. But you can go to 15 seconds, get some confirmation. There's a 15-second buy stop right here. Same thing we just taught you guys. Green, 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 red. Buy stop up. She goes on the 15 seconds. You can go to the 5 minute. You come over to here, 5 minute. Let's see what it looks like. Buy stop right here. We're on, actually. Another buy stop right there, and there she went up. Does it keep going up? These are 5 minute trades. No. We can go over to, I don't know. I showed you Bitcoin daily. It works on stocks. We can do Amazon. Let's look at Amazon. Let's go over to a 2-hour chart on Amazon and see what we see. Okay, these are all, you want to see your minds blown? Watch. These are all fill in the gaps. I'm going to show you something. Watch this shit. This shit is the coolest shit on earth. Watch right here. You will see a lower time. This is a 2-hour fill in the gap buy stop. I'll pop on you where you're going to see the 1 hour, either a 1 hour, 30 minute, or 15 minute buy stop. Watch. Okay, we did these three right here. Let's go ahead and go down to the 1 hour and see what we see. There they are. There's the 1 hour buy stop that I just taught you. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Up she went. There's another one right next to it. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Here's another one on the 1 hour buy stop. Over and over and over again, you'll see them. Yes, I was able to take something, Amazon, look at the 2 hour and tell you what it was going to do on the 1 hour. Yes, you can go to the 1 hour and do the exact same thing. It doesn't matter. 12-hour charts, 4-hour charts, 5-minute charts, Amazon, Google, NVIDIA, GBP, JPY, UDSHEP, EUR, USD, oil, gold. Doesn't matter the symbol. Whenever you see a buy stop, look, here you go. 5-minute buy stop gold. Some of my members already played it this morning. Buy stop, money, buy stop, money, buy stop, money. What's a buy stop? You were just taught it. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. Doesn't matter. Any of the 1,000 symbols that you can chart on TradingView, it works on. Any time frame, any symbol, you can do futures with it. I just showed you gold right now. You can do metals. You can do energy. You can do indices. We love indices. You can do cryptos. You can do HK50, which I don't even know, Hong Kong 50. They even had such a thing until a few days ago. Do you have this for trade? You're on TradingView. This is TradingView. Yes, sir. It's on TradingView, Matt. The only thing you guys can trade on is TradingView. That's correct. Everybody, I haven't asked this question in probably 2 months. We have rules. Morning, Dope Cast Stones. What's up, buddy? We have rules. In our rules, we have this little thing over here. For $575, I made you all trillionaires that bought the system. Made you all billionaires. I know for a fact I made 2 millionaires. Jay Cochran is one of them, plus another person. I know Tommy's made over $300,000 with the system. I know lots of people made a lot of money. So you're always thankful to God. I created this system years ago. I've been sharing it on TikTok lives for 2 years. YouTube over a year and a half. I have over 1,500 videos. I didn't have to share this with any of you. I kept the system to myself, made all the money I wanted to make, and then I shared it with the world. So you should be thankful to God I shared it with you. You should be thankful to God that I actually brought this to the public. So always thank God is a reason. I don't give 2 fucks if you're an atheist. I'm not. I don't preach to you, but I do say be thankful to God for every breath you take. Everyone here is about 3 to 5 minutes away from death. If you didn't have a breath, we're out of here. Okay? So always thank God for the system. Always thank God for everything. Always do good with your profits. Yes, people buy nice cars and they get whatever. But I always try to teach you all to do good with your profits. When you make your money, help others that are in need in your family first and other people you don't know second. But help everybody you can, whether it's a $100 tip at a restaurant, whether you buy cars for your nieces or nephews or your children, whether you buy a house for somebody. Do good with your profits. The third thing, which I rarely ever bring up anymore, is always have my back. So I'm asking you right now, everybody out there, speak up and do not hold your peace. Is the system worth $575? Yes? Fuck yes. 1 million yeses or no? No, it's not. Go ahead and speak up now, please. Is the system worth what you paid for it? Go ahead. And let's pull this up live for everybody. I'm asking you all to speak up. Let's see what this are. I'm asking you all to speak up now. I haven't done this in forever. Is it worth it? Rapid Powerment International, absolutely. Yes, says John Francisco. Brian Claus says yes. 1 million yes, it says Jan. F yes, says Mr. C. I think Mr. C might have to go out and have a beer even though I don't drink one day. Mr. C. Oh, Martin, definitely worth it. Thank you, Martin. Quentin, yes. William Jones, 7. I like that. Rocket, yes. 1 million. D-Man, yes. Hell yes. Joe Bigga, worth every penny. Okay. Absolutely fucking Caligula, yes, sir. All right, so that's a good number of yeses. Thank you, guys. And on TikTok, fuck yes. Bargain, thank God. More. Yes, says user 8811. All right. So just so everyone that's new watching this, yes, sir, says F yes pays for itself instantly. That is true. Thank you guys for speaking up. I used to do that pretty much once a day, once every couple of days. I haven't done it in a month, probably 2 months. I haven't had time to do it. Speaking of that, how much time I have left? No shit, not much. All right, I got about 15 minutes left. Let me see something real quick. Oh, US 30. Little sell going. Let's check US 30. 30 seconds. Pass this blue line. Yes. Okay. Let me go to NAS real quick. Oh, they already hit it. Oh, I didn't know that. It does not look like SPX. Sell stop, SPX to the, and all of them. SPX, NAS, and US 30. Sell stop. 15 second, 30 second to the 30 second blue line of SPX. But I got to be honest with you. Go ahead and take the trade. Sure. Take the trade. It's only going to be setting us up. I'm assuming the 15-minute. Yeah. We have a 15-minute buy. Hold on. I'll make these call outs for you guys too. I should do that before I get on. 15 second. 15-minute. Buy, 30-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute, fill in the gap, buy, stop. Buy, stop. Hard buys. You can play the sells if you want. I'm telling you, play them, stay in them. It's calling it. You can stay in those sells. Feel free to do it. SPX, 15-minute, 1 hour buy, stop. First time, hard buy. US 30, NAS 100, buy, stop. 15-minute, 1 hours. Yeah, oh yeah, fuck yeah. Yep. Now hold on a second because we need to. Let's look at the Hydra. Hydra signals activated. Let's see what we see. Okay. Hydra signals activated. Let's see what we see. And pop. There's your buys. There you go. It's calling the same thing I called. Why? Because it's me. You have me in your back pocket when you have this on tier 3, $350 a month. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It called that fucking trade perfectly. Look at it. Look at it. There's your buy. I just taught you what it was. The signal service is spectacular. Look at this buy. As it went down with that bullshit, I'm sure this was yesterday, should have took your buy. Straight up she went. There you go. So those lower time frames are forming us a higher time frame buy. The lower time frame sells. Thank you, Kelly McMahon. JTF6, boom, let's go. Good morning, Michael Moynihan. All right. So those are your three indices, short-term sells, long-term buys later today. I do believe this will happen somewhere between 8:30 and 10:30. You'll see the buy kick in and it go to the moon. Why? Because that's when the next 4 hour candle will be kicking in. I don't want to get into candle trading. I did that for a while and I lose everybody. You guys don't even understand what fill in the gap is. Oh, well. All right. Let's go on. Let's take a look at gold. Gold. Look at that shit. Another perfectly called 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop on gold. Wow, signal service, amazing. Okay, let's see. Gold, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute. Sell stop, gold. 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stop, gold down to the blue line of gold, forming a 3 minute, forming a 5 minute. Gold, 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. It's already fired. Oh, shit. Yeah, it did it already earlier. Well, it'll do it again later. Short-term sell gold, long-term buy gold. By short-term, I mean seconds and minutes. By long-term, I mean 15-minute hourly. Pick your way you want to trade it. That's what it's going to do. EUR USD, EUR USD, whatever I call out for this is the opposite for you to shove, so no worries there. EUR USD. EUR USD. $15, 30-second buy. I don't like it though. 1 minute sell. EUR USD. 3 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30, 30, 1 hour, 30, 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop, EUR USD. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily, forming a daily. It's going to go down against daily sell, weekly sell, daily, weekly sell to the monthly blue line. I don't know why my blue line does not have enough memory to pull. I'm going to pull up another way to do that later on for you guys. UHF opposite, GBP, JPY. "15-second GBP, JPY. 30-second. 1 minute, sell. 3 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute buy. 15, 30, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. It's going to bolt down a little bit and come and hook back up again. Easy peasy. XRP, love XRP. Been calling Bitcoin correctly for over a year and a half. If you go over to the monthly, since April, well, I haven't been just calling it, so is the system, by the way, speaking of which. Hold on, let me just do it this way. There we go. All right, right here. XRP, baby. Buy stop, monthly. It's been in a sell, though, recently. Let me see. XRP, sell again. 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, past it, 3 minute, 3 minute, under it, buy, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, sell, 1 hour, sell, 3, 3, 4, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, sell stop, daily, sell, weekly, monthly buy. I still like XRP. I don't give a shit about these short-term sells. I've been calling XRP as a buy from 31 cents. You guys do what the fuck you want. It's a buy. Ethereum, buy until 4,500. Bitcoin, I've already called. If you didn't listen to me, fuck off. I don't give a shit. You should have listened to me when I told you to get on a 3.8. Back here, literally made a video on it. I called for Bitcoin to go over 70,000 on 3.823 over a year ago. Oh, yeah, I did. And hundreds of times after that, I called it. I'm not calling Bitcoin anymore. Already did gold. Amazon's the buy. I don't give a fuck what it's doing either. I've been calling for Amazon to buy like from $93. And I think that's it. Good enough for me. Anybody want me to call it anything else before I go? CPI today. CPI can suck it. All my members, all my students, stay out of CPI unless you're masters at it. Then you can do what you want. Can you show the 2 minutes, Matt? Yeah, there's 2 minutes. I don't want to show it, though. No, why? What's the big deal? Just do 1 minute, 3 minutes. It works on 2 minutes. Doesn't matter. Yep, works on futures all day long. My brother trades futures. Jose trades futures. Tommy trades futures. There's probably a dozen people that trade futures with the system. Probably 24 people that trade systems. We have a Discord. They all talk about it in there. Yes, it works on futures. And yes, and they have their little trade recaps. Here's somebody. Does that look familiar to you? Does that look like futures trading to anyone? $4,200. He made $4,070. That's Kick. That's Tommy. Right there. And that's small for him. I've seen Tommy make $61,000 or $63,000 it was in a day using the system. Just saying. Do you see NAS pulling to at least 1830 before going up? Gladex asks. I got to be nice because Gladex doesn't have a system yet. I'm on him. I'm like, motherfucker, you already have this shit. He's working on it. Do I see it pulling down is what he's asking. Do I see it pulling down before it keeps going up? Let's take a look. In a book, Yes, it's too far away on the 4 hour. It's okay on the 1 hour though. Man, what I would give anything, like they did this stupid shit yesterday. I wish I would have been trading. No, I'm writing the order of operation and testing the code for the new thing for you guys instead. But look at this bullshit where they yanked this down yesterday. I'm sure this is PPI news, CPI news, suck my news. So yeah, this is what that was. This right here, bullshit. Do that shit again today. I'll have to watch it then and we'll get in it. Yeah, I got to get going here. Do I see it pulling down? No, it doesn't need to pull down at all. That is no. Well, I mean, the 15 second, 30 seconds I called out, yes. But do I see it going down to the, I mean, I wish they would. I mean, he's asking, do I see it? The best news we can have is a huge drop down, a huge pull down. I would love for it to go back down to the 1 minute, 3 minutes. Let me be clear. I would love for it to go down to it's past due, actually. All these need to turn red. So if we get the CPI news and all these plummet down to red, I would not be surprised. And then I'll just be tripling up on my buys later on. But yeah, that would be super nice if they would drop this down to at least the 3 minute, maybe the 5 minute, maybe the 10 minute. I mean, today to the 10 minute blue line, I doubt that seriously. 5 minutes, sure, possible. 3 minute, yeah. 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, absolutely. And then just load up on your buys when they do it. That's how I would look at it. You're welcome, Gladex. U.S. oil. I'm going to go ahead and say sell. Let's see, U.S. oil. Oh, fuck. Well, it's a 15 second sell. It already has been. This has to be a big, this is probably like a 15 minute sell. 1 minute sell, 3 minute sell. Let's see where she's blowing to. 5 minute sell, 10 minute. See, it was a 15 minute sell, broken back. It was a 30 minute sell, too late. I wouldn't get in this. 1 hour, filling the gap, it's already too late. 4 hour. It was a 3 hour. It was a 4 hour sell. Yeah, you're way late on this. It was a 4 hour to the blue line ricochet sell stop. You're too late. I wouldn't touch oil. So, well, there it is going down to its, see the ricochet right here down to its blue line on the 12 hour. I mean, do I think it's going to, I wouldn't trade it. It's forming you can play 15 second sells, but it's already completed a 4 hour and a 12 hour sell. I mean, you do what you want. It's a weekly sell, which means this should go down to the daily blue line. So you can play sells if you want. Forming a weekly, monthly buy stop oil. So all those short-term sells are forming a weekly, monthly. TKS King. What's up, Rico? I'm not familiar. What the fuck? Oh, thanks, King. My bad. I'm tired. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? Going twice. I'm going to head over to YouTube for a split second afterwards. Thank you all for being here. God bless you all on TikTok, going 3 times. Any questions, concerns, or comments? Thank you, Jay Williams. Thank you, Flight 379. All right. You know when the treadmill stops, that means I'm stopping. All right. See you guys on TikTok. I might be on later tonight, though. You might see me. All right. YouTube. Any questions on YouTube before I go? YouTubers, any questions before I go? Oh, I got to call Keith now. I got to schedule Ryan, too. I got so much shit to do. All right. No, sir. Thank you as always. Rock and roll. Thank you, Jay Parker. Thank you, Jan. God bless you all. All right. Everybody have a great day. Have a wonderful day. Lots of fun. Make some good memories. That's all we got for us here. Mr. C, kicking ass. You have a great day too, sir. Brian Claus, you too, sir. Rapid Empowerment International, you too. All right. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. Maybe see you this evening.